Today we'll discuss about a nation upon which Allah sent down His painful torment and turned all the people of the nation into monkeys. And after those people became monkeys, how long did they live? And then how painful was their death? What did they say when they saw their dear ones? And are the monkeys found in today's era from the descendants of those monkeys? We'll answer all these questions in the light of Quran and Sunnah. The background of this incident links to the time of Prophet David. The people of Prophet David and his nation lived by the sea. This nation was very prosperous and obedient to Allah. Allah had blessed this nation with countless blessings. These people were very happy in their life. Prophet David's nation lived by the sea, and Allah's special favor on them was that abundant fish came to the shore, which they traded and lived a very prosperous life. When this nation became prosperous due to Allah's blessings, they started disobeying Allah and indulged in various sins. Then one day, Allah decided to test this nation and sent revelation to Prophet David to instruct his people to stop fishing on Saturdays. From here, the destruction of this nation began. Prophet David informed his nation that Allah had declared fishing on Saturday forbidden. This made the people very worried, and the whole nation sat together in consultation, because Saturday was the only day when the fish would come to the shore by themselves, and on other days, very few or almost no fish were caught. Since this nation's livelihood depended on fishing, they were troubled upon hearing Allah's command. They did not realize that this was a test from Allah. One day, Devil suggested them to dig channels from the sea to large pools, so that on Saturdays the fish would come through these channels into the pools, and then they would block the mouths of these channels. The next day, Sunday, they would catch the fish. The devil misled the people of this nation into thinking this way: they would avoid fishing on Saturday and still get the fish. Many people liked this deceptive idea and started doing this. They dug small channels from the sea to large pools. But this nation did not realize when the fish entered the pools from the sea, it was as good as catching them, which was prohibited by Allah on Saturdays. At this point, the Jews were divided into three groups. Some people outright rejected this idea and out of danger and fear refrained from fishing. Others remained silent, knowing it was wrong, but neither did they fish, nor did they prevent others from doing so. Instead, they told those who tried to prevent it that there was no point in advising a nation that Allah was soon going to destroy and send His painful punishment upon. The third group consisted of the disobedient and rebellious people who openly opposed Allah's command and started fishing on Saturdays, following devil's deceptive plan. These people defied Allah's command, fished on Saturdays, ate the fish, and sold them. Prophet David repeatedly warned those people, but they did not heed his warnings and openly continued fishing. One day, no wrongdoer came out of their homes. Observing this, Some people climbed the walls to see what had happened. When they saw the disobedient ones, they found that all of them had turned into monkeys. Allah inflicted a painful punishment on them due to their disobedience, transforming them from humans into monkeys. When the people entered the homes of these monkeys, they recognized their relatives and approached them, sniffing their clothes, but they couldn't speak. Allah reports this incident in Surah Al-Baqarah, and you surely knew those among you who transgressed in the matter of Sabbath. So we said to them, be apes despised. These disobedient people lived as monkeys for 3 days. During this time, they could neither eat nor drink, and eventually died of hunger and thirst within 3 days. Those who had warned the disobedient ones about Allah's punishment were spared by Allah from this torment. Even those who remained silent, knowing it was wrong, were also spared from this punishment by Allah. Now, my friends, let's discuss today's era. Are any of the monkeys from their lineage still present? Or are the monkeys found today from their lineage? According to a tradition, Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud asked Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam if the monkeys today are from the nation of Prophet David. To this, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, they lived for 3 days, and after that, all of them perished. Allah wiped out the disobedient ones of the nation from existence.